Tom, this is the piece of side from which you kicked your record field goal. And since this will be the last time that we'll have an opportunity, we'd like to present you with this piece of side that is actually historic, and it probably belongs in the Hall of Fame.
Thank you very much. I don't know if it belongs there or not, but I'd like to keep it around for a while.
Well, good.
I'm going to plant it. I'll plant this in my flower bed at my new home, and wherever I move, I think I'll just take it with me.
I think that's real good, Tom, because this is going to be a piece that can't be reproduced at any time, any place.
Well, not anymore at this stadium. This is a particular spot of this field I'd like to remember for a few years.
Okay.
Ready, Ken?
Yeah, anytime. You got it?
Anytime you're ready.
Go.
All right.
Great shit.
I know you want to know, Dempsey.
Knock your hat off.
Ready? Let's see you go to the top.
Johnny, my man.